Welcome all. Today in building services, we will get to know about the protective devices that is necessary in the electrical installations. So why the protective devices are necessary? In order to ensure the safe and the healthy working condition and prevent damage to an electrical system and protect from the risk of the injuries. So it includes the circuit breakers and the fuses. Protective devices in electrical installations: switches, lamp holders, lamp hold adapters, ceiling rows, plug, socket outlets, mounting boards, main switch, distribution fuse board. So these are the small things, mainly MCBs, ELCBs and fuse. So these are some of the switches, surface switches that is mounted on the surface. So one-way switch and the two-way switch. Next is about the flush switch. So then push button switches, uh, pull switch or the ceiling switch, ironclad watertight switches and rotary snap switches. These are some of the examples of the example pictures of the switches. Next is the lamp holders. There are different types of lamp holders. There is batten holder, angle holder, pendant holder, bracket holder. Then lamp hold adapters, ceiling rows, plug that is 3 pin and 2 pins, socket outlets and the mounting blocks. So these are some pictures of it. Next is about the MCB, that is miniature circuit breaker. So it automatically switches off the electrical circuit during the abnormal conditions of the network. So means overload conditions as well as the faulty conditions. That is, the MCBs is mainly used to shut down or cut off uh, in case of the abnormal conditions or the overloads or faulty conditions. So MCBs will be more sensitive to overcurrent than the fuse. Then ELCB, earth leakage circuit breaker. So this device is used in electrical installations with high earth impedance to prevent the shock. So the device is used to directly detect current leakage to the earth from an installation and cut the power, and mainly used in the earthing systems. So there are two types of ELCBs. One is the voltage ELCB and the current is ELCB. Voltage earth leakage circuit breaker and current earth leakage circuit breaker. Then fuse, a type of the low resistance resistor to provide overcurrent protection. It prevents short circuiting, overloading, mismatched loads or device failures. Next is the types of fuse. One is low voltage fuse, another one is the high voltage fuse. In low voltage fuse, it is again classified as rewirable and cartridge. Next is the fuse construction. So that is, it consists of the tube, element, filler materials and end blades. So the size and the construction of the element is determined so that the heat produced for the normal current does not cause the element to attain a higher temperature. Next is the comparison of the fuse and the circuit breakers. So based upon the specific parameters, that is, in case of function, fuse performs reduction and interruption functions, and in case of circuit breaker it performs the interruption. In case of operation, fuse inherently completely automatic, circuit breaker requires elaborate equipments. In case of braking capacity, fuse is small and the circuit breaker is very large. Operating time, fuse is very small and the circuit breaker is very large. Then in case of replacement, fuse requires the replacement and circuit breaker does not require the replacement. Thank you.